In a small town, birds began to flock in unnatural numbers, their migratory patterns disrupted by climate change. At first, it was a curiosity, but soon, the sky darkened with their presence, blocking out the sun. People noticed the birds' eyes, strangely human, watching them with unsettling intent. Whispers spread of missing pets and eerie cries at night. One evening, a local ornithologist, driven by obsession, climbed the tallest tree to investigate. As he reached the top, the birds swarmed, their beaks whispering secrets of a world beyond understanding. He vanished, leaving only feathers and a chilling message. We are the harbingers. To uncover more tales of terror, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.